Hello, sir. This is my video report and final. So let's start. What is the history and origin of cha-cha? The cha-cha dance is originated in Cuba and grew out of the Cuban triple mambo. During a visit to Cuba in the early 1950s, an English dance teacher named Pierre Lavelle saw dancers performing this triple step to slow rumba and mambo music. He took it back to Britain and thought it is a separate dance that even eventually became what we know in ballroom and cha-cha. It was introduced in the United States and quickly became the latest craze, pushing the mambo aside. It has never gone out of style and to this day remains popular in nightclubs across country. In past because it is so easy to learn. In France, we love the cha-cha because it is so lively. This one dance you need to have in social arsenal. As remains of weddings and live bands, cha-cha is danced to authentic Cuban music. The music is for international with steady beat. History and origin of rumba. Rumba is originated in Cuba during 19th century, but it evolves from dances and brought by African slaves to the Caribbean. These dances were influenced by Spanish culture, resulting in a unique blend of Africa rhythms and Spanish melodies. Early development. Rumba was dance of lower class and was often associated with poorer neighborhoods. It was essentially street and accompanied by rhythmic music involving a dialogue between dancers and drummers. Evolution into ballroom dances in early 20th century began to gain popularity in other countries, particularly the United States. Ballroom rumba, different from the traditional Cuban style, was standardized for teaching in class studios. This version is slower and more romantic with an emphasis on hip movements. Today, rumba is known for romantic sensual movements, sexual feel and rhythmic patterns. It is often referred as dance of love in the ballroom community. History of origin of jive. The jive is a dance style that originated in the United States from African to Americans in the early 1930s. The name of the dance came from the name of a form of African American vernacular slang popular in 1930 by publication of dictionary by Cab Calloway, the famous jazz band leader and singer in competition and ballroom dancing. The jive is often group of Latin-inspired. Its roots are based on swing dancing and not Latin dancing. History of origin of Paso Doble. Paso Doble is a Latin ballroom dance. It may have originated in France or Spain. The term paso doble means double step and two step in Spanish. As it briskly pace, paso doble music is accompanied the fast steps of a military march in both countries. The dance has also connections to bullfighting, fast-paced doble. Music originally served as an introductory theme for Spanish bullfightings. Externally, the ring. The movements of bull inspired the dances, according to Spanish legend. And the last history and origin of samba. Samba is a Brazilian music genre and dance style with its roots in Africa. Via the West African slave trade and the African religious tradition, particularly of Angola and Congo. through the samba genre of northern eastern of Bahia from it, which is derived. Although there were various forms of samba in Brazil, in the form of various popular rhythms and regional dance that originated from drumming. It is expression in urban Rio de Janeiro, then the capital and largest city of Brazil.